All right, you hang here for a minute. I'm gonna check things out. These petroglyphs can mean only one thing. This place is packed with booby traps, so we gotta be super careful where we step in here. I wonder what all these holes in the ground are for. I'm guessing spider holes.
Uncle Grandpa! Behind you!
Yeah, definitely spider holes. Anyway, nothing to worry about. Oh no! This is horrible! My shoelace is untied! What am I gonna do?
Don't panic, I'll be right there! Don't worry, I got this! Dang it, Uncle Grandpa! I can't tie your shoe if you don't stand still.
Jeez Louise.
Your shoe's tight now, Uncle Grandpa!
Thanks.
Good morning! Or afternoon. Or night? Anytime is a good time to watch more Uncle Grandpa. Hit subscribe for more of your favorite Uncle G.